Hey everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Anna and today we're going to be talking about ProDentim, a supplement designed to improve your oral health, strengthen your gums, and keep your teeth in great shape. If you've been looking for a way to support your dental health naturally, you're going to want to stick around. In this video, I'm going to go over how ProDentim works, its ingredients, and whether it really delivers results. Plus, I have some important tips and warnings that you need to know before buying, so stay with me until the end, okay? First off, if you decide to try ProDentim, make sure that you're getting the real product, you guys. The official website is linked in the description down below, and it really is the only place to buy it safely. There are fakes out there, so don't take the risk of getting something that just won't work or could even be harmful for you. So, that's out the way. What exactly is ProDentim? It's a dietary supplement made from 100% natural ingredients, specifically designed to improve oral health. Unlike traditional toothpaste and mouthwashes that may kill both good and bad bacteria, ProDentim works by replenishing the beneficial bacteria in your mouth. See, a healthy balance of these bacteria helps keep your gums strong, your breath fresh, and your teeth healthy. ProDentim contains probiotics like Lactobacillus paracasei, Lactobacillus reuteri, and B. lactis BL04. These special strains help maintain a balanced oral microbiome, support gum health, and even boost your immune system. In addition, it also includes a blend of 4 powerful plant-based ingredients and minerals: inulin, which nourishes good bacteria in your mouth; malic acid, which helps keep your teeth naturally white; tricalcium phosphate, known for strengthening teeth; and peppermint, which has anti-inflammatory properties and helps maintain fresh breath. With this super special combination, ProDentim doesn't just target oral health. It also supports your respiratory system, it reduces inflammation, and it promotes overall well-being. Plus, it's made in the USA in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility, ensuring quality and safety. Now, let's talk about how to take it. ProDentim is super easy to use. Just chew 1 tablet slowly every morning. No need to swallow pills or mix powders. The natural ingredients really do get to work right away, helping to restore the balance of bacteria in your mouth and support your overall oral health. So how long does it actually take to see results? I've seen so many people asking this question. Well, that depends. Since ProDentim is made from natural ingredients, some people start noticing improvements in just a few weeks, while others may need a little bit more time. If you're dealing with over 40 years of age or just persistent oral health issues, studies suggest using ProDentim consistently for 3 to 6 months for the best results. One more important thing, ProDentim comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, you guys. So if you try and don't see the results you want, you can get a full refund. No hassle, no risk. So that's it for today. I hope this review was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and don't forget the official website is linked in the description down below if you want to check it out. It really is the only place to get the real deal and all this information, so make sure you guys click that link if you're interested. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!